the people of the state who are represented also by the members of the leaders of various civil society organizations are saying that we will not be agreeable to the government's decision to go ahead with a railway project unless there is a rider. Therefore, how are we going to deal with this rider? This and that we will have to first discuss amongst ourselves, not in the committee, with all those who are expressing their concern. We already know it. Therefore, how we want to resolve, is there a way out? Is there a way out? So let us first discuss this. This is what, with my utmost endeavor, I have tried to communicate in the House.
Well, Doctor, I spoke to...
You cannot expect that you will form a committee and put anybody in the committee and we will go and discuss in the committee. Then we don't even know what is the actual stand of the government. We don't even know what exactly is the right approach, the way out. We don't even know without discussing. When we discuss, then we will put the possibilities first. Without that, it is like going to a meeting without knowing the subject.
Well, Doctor, in fact, yesterday I...
Precisely what I said. What is that committee? Why can't you call the leaders of the party first and sit? You have to understand who you are talking to, na? You have to understand what are the, the overall issues which will crop up in the course of discussion at different level. When you are discussing with the political parties, then the way the discussion will unfold will be different. But when you discuss in a committee with all the stakeholders who have made their point very clear, that whole discussion will unfold into a different situation. So we have to go step by step and then understand what exactly is possibly possible.